Cough relief patch. It is carefully developed by a professional team. The herbal essence penetrates through the occupants, relieves respiratory tract spasms, reduces airway obstruction, and suppresses inflammation. The material is skin-friendly and breathable, safe and non-irritating, and it adheres firmly without falling off. It is extremely easy to use. Just peel it off and stick it on the facial occupant. You can also stick it on the tense hung occupant, tiantu occupant, and other occupants according to the situation. Use it once a day, and each application should last for 8 to 12 hours. Whether it is acute cough caused by a cold or chronic cough and asthma, it can quickly relieve cough and relieve asthma, allowing breathing to return to smoothness.